What's up, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you are doing exquisite. So I'm at my local food market, and guess what I see? Bam! Fuyu Persimmons. They have never sold these before in my store, and I'm so excited. I will be taking one home. So I'm not sure how to pick them, but this one I'm squeezing and it gives just a little bit more than this one. I think I'm gonna take both of them. This one seems a little bit more ripe. This one's bigger, but it's also a little bit more firm than this one, and see what the difference is between the two. You know, do I want my persimmons to be softer, more ripe, or do I prefer them not to be as ripe? So I think that'd be a good taste test to see the comparison. Fuyu Persimmon, a whopping 69 cents. I don't know why I'm humming Christmas music. I am so pumped. I am so pumped. I can't wait to try the Fuyu Persimmon. Look at these clouds, y'all. Isn't that something? It's cold though, but these clouds are ugly. All right, so here are the two persimmons. These are Fuyu persimmons that I bought in the grocery store. The biggest one to your left is the more firm one, and the one to your right is the smallest one, and that is the more ripe one. At least it's softer. Both of them pretty much look the same, right? Very, very, it reminds me of cutting a peach, sort of. But I'm excited to taste it. I did soak it, as you saw in the photo, in some vinegar water before, because apparently you can eat the skins of the Fuyu persimmon. So I wanted to try it, and you can still even tell, and I soaked it for about 20 minutes. Maybe that wasn't long enough, but you can tell the white stuff. Do you see the white stuff there? That these are not organic. But anyway, I'm just going to go for it. I've probably put worse in my body. I don't know. But for the sake of tasting it, no judgments here about eating non-organic food. I want to taste it. I've never tasted a Fuyu. I hear the hype all the time. I've actually considered purchasing a Fuyu persimmon tree, but I was like, you know, I hear people talk about how tasty it is, but I've also heard people say that they don't like them. Also, people try to compare them to other fruits, and they can't. Like, it's like the Fuyu persimmon has its own taste and flavor, and I would, so, you know, I'm going to try my best to share with you what it tastes like, but, you know, I may be unsuccessful, just like others. So anyway, here we go. This one's again more ripe, so I'm going to taste this first. It's definitely soft, and a little bit more slimy and kind of jelly-like. So I'm going to taste this. And yes, I am doing it off camera, but I'll try to make as much noise as possible for those of you that like the slurps. Okay, here we go. Okay. I don't want the peel in my mouth. I don't want that. Look at that. It is quite slimy. And then it almost solidified in my mouth, like when I took a bite. Hold on. Yeah, I don't like the texture of that. Definitely more soft than a peach. I'm almost tempted to try one more piece. But yeah, so far I don't like it overripe. And it may not even be overripe, but this is a lot softer than this one. I also don't feel like there's much of a flavor. It's sweet. It's definitely sweet. I mean, that's all I pretty much taste is sugar. Let's try this one. Yeah. Again, I prefer not to have the peel in my mouth. Sweet as sugar. I mean, really, just sweet. Yeah, I don't. It has its own taste. Like, it doesn't taste like anything to me. It doesn't, I don't, the texture maybe of an overripe peach. But other than that, I just really feel like it's kind of flat. It's not, there's not a whole lot. I do prefer this one over this one. Again, this one's the more firm one, the more firm one. I do, as far as the texture on the inside, it's very, very juicy. I mean, y'all can see that. Very juicy. And it wasn't as slimy as this one. But yeah, surprisingly, I don't think I want to grow this. I'm sniffing, trying to get those flavors, those notes in my mouth. Yeah, this one's a lot more firmer than the other. Hold on just a second. I'm willing to keep, it doesn't taste bad. It just tastes really flat to me. I don't feel like it has much flavor, but the sweetness, my goodness. Yeah, very flat to me. Yeah, guys, no flavor. No flavor. Juicy, yes. Sweet, yes. Would I purchase again? Maybe. I'm definitely not going to spend my time. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to spend my time growing a Fuyu Persimmon. I'm kind of disappointed. And again, it is store-bought. So, you know, we know how store-bought foods taste. Typically, though, I mean, there's some type of, but guys, I may not be giving it, you know, the credit that it's due, because it is a store-bought fruit. But based on this store-bought fruit, I will not spend time growing this. Yeah, it's not very good. It's not as I thought it would just be more fruity. There would be some type of flavor. It's just very, very flat. So that's my review, you all. It's a no-go for me as far as the store-bought fruit is concerned. This is the first time I've ever seen it grown in my, offered in my my frequent shopping center, grocery store that I go to. And, you know, if I go to like maybe Whole Foods or Trader Joe's or something like that, maybe I'll look it up again, see if I'm willing to try again. But overall, no. Now, I'm not going to waste this. I'm probably just going to eat it because it's sweet, because I really crave a lot of sugar sometimes. And, no, a lot. And here lately, I've been craving it a lot. So, yes, for the sugar content, it is really high. Again, I prefer the more firm ones than the ripe ones, the real soft ones. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's my review. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk at you later. You know I will. Bye.